Hello, my freaks. I cut my bangs, and now I'm in my Lord Farquaad era, I guess. Anyway, what has Jaime been up to? Still with the underwear and swimsuit trend, I see. And I accessorized this, but forgot the actual clothes. How is this the whole outfit, Jaime? How? Also, this hat looked like it was the right kind of hat for this in the picture. The right kind of hat to match my underwear. But now it does not. Otherwise, I feel like I'm some kind of burlesque tap dancer, maybe? I figured the first place to start is to just put on a pair of fishnet tights underneath, if nothing else. And I didn't realize that these fishnets have a whole black panel that is almost the same as these bikini bottoms, but a little bit longer. So at least now, from far away at least, it looks like I'm just wearing really short shorts, like little hot pants. Although close up, it probably just looks really tacky. Next, I put on this vest because I'm trying to make an actual outfit here, and I just feel like it goes with the vibe. But now I don't really like this necklace with it. It has a green stone in the middle, and it just feels like too much with this. But I think I have a similar one I can substitute. Okay, this one's just black, so I think that's better. And I'm gonna try some different shoes too, and maybe a different hat. All right, I do like these shoes better, even though I think the ribbon Mary Janes would have been perfect if they were black. These don't have a heel, unfortunately, so I can't do my tap dancing, but they are sparkly, so it kind of goes with the entertainer vibe. The hat, however, it's a better shape for this, but it really doesn't work being a straw hat. So let's try the other one again. I still don't quite like it though. So I have another idea. All right, I found this headband with black sparkles like the shoes and feathers of green like the green that was on the original necklace. So I think that'll be the perfect thing. And I think that's it. I think that's basically the look. The top is still feeling off to me, but I think it's because it's just too big. I bought it a size bigger to fit over things, but I don't think I needed to do that. Um, but I think we can cinch it in the back. I have a dress that I cinch sometimes. For our purposes, I was thinking maybe I can put this ribbon over it. I like the color on here. It doesn't match anything, but I feel like it goes well enough. And so maybe I can use that to cover up the ugly elastic and make like a bow on it or something. Right, I just wrapped the ribbon around this a couple times and made a bow, so that should work. So much better! Yay, we did it. Where would I wear this? I would wear this in the rain to stay dry, obviously. So let me know in the comments, would you wear this? Where would you wear this? And who do you think won this look? Regular me or Jaime? Thanks for watching.